Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add send message button on Facebook page. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up your Facebook application and now just tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see the option pages here. Just click on it. So first of all, tap on your page. So if you scroll down, you will see this post option here. So if you click on it, and then you can type anything here, graphic designer, then you can add any color, you can also add any photo here, and then if you want to add send message button also, just tap on these three dots, scroll down a little bit, and you will see a option get messages. Here you can see, just click on it. That's it. And now here you can see send messages option already added. After that, tap on this next button and tap on this post button. So it's already posting. So now if I show you on my page, there is an option send messages. Here you can see. So this is how you can add send message button on Facebook page post. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.